Hi, Debbie Chew here from Chew on Vegan, and as you can see, I'm not in my kitchen today. I'm going to be doing something a little bit different today. I was approached a couple of months ago from a company that wanted me to do an unboxing video for them. And I haven't really done that before, so I wanted to research the company and the product, and I really liked what I saw, so I decided to say yes. But before I show you the product, I wanted to tell you a little bit about the company. The company is the Thoughtful brand, and it is a husband and wife, Juliana and Francisco, and they're a vegan startup company, and they're very interested in the environment and saving animals, and they're vegan. So those were all three things that I was on board with. And they came up with a really unique product, and I wanted to share that with you today. So I've got the box right here, and I kind of cheated and already opened it. So let me get this out. So what we have here is a silicone glove, and I have two of them. And why this is good is, for one, it has many uses. You can use it to wash your dishes, wash your dog, wash your car, pots and pans. It's got all kinds of different textures on it. It's antimicrobial, and it is eco-friendly, and they use companies that are fair trade to make this product. So all good things. And you can also just throw this in the dishwasher after you're done cleaning, and it just cleans up beautifully. And I'm gonna put this on so you can see. So this is heat safe up to 160 degrees. So you can have really hot water while you're doing the dishes. And you just put the soap right here, and then you can just scrub away. You can scrub your countertops, the stove, all kinds of things. I think it's awesome. And you can take your skillet off the stove, put it in the sink, and you won't burn your hands. So that's a cool feature. But there's two things that come in this set. One is the gloves, and the other is this chain mail scrubber. And this is food grade metal. And this is great for cleaning your cast iron pots. You can clean casserole dishes, your cookie sheets, things that get food stuck on there, your barbecue after you cook your Beyond Burgers and your veggies. You can clean your barbecue grill with this. And this is great because you're not getting bacteria stuck on that when you use like a steel wool or things like that. So this product eliminates a lot of things. You don't need your sponge, you don't need steel wool, you've got it all in one thing here. And this product's gonna last for a very long time. So you're not only gonna save money, you're gonna save the environment. Another thing that's great about this company is they will give 10% of the profits to an organization called A Well-Fed World. And this nonprofit company helps grow the vegan community by stamping out hunger and saving animals. And I'm gonna give you a link to that, their website, so you can check them out. The owners of this company were so nice, they wanted me to pass on to you a discount code so you can get a discount on these products. And I would really love for you to give it a try, and let me know what you think. And until next time, I'll be doing a cooking video. So take care, and remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.